My name is Balveer. I'm on the truck driver. I using 3 years. That is really good. Also, I recommend my family now to my wife and my son and using other 2 dash cam on the car.
Originally, I chose Thinkware dash cams because my dad is a truck driver and he's been driving with Thinkware for 3 years. So he hasn't had any complaints about them, and it's really easy to pair on your phone. So he said that I should go with the same brand as well. And they have a lot of new cool features, like being able to send notifications to my dad because I'm moving out now. So if I were to ever, God forbid, get in an accident, they would be able to know right away before me calling them. I feel way better because it's hardwired, which means it's always recording 24 hours. So I'm safe when I'm parked in the parking lot of the university, and I know we're all young, so we make mistakes. So I feel like there's a higher chance of something happening in the parking lot. So I feel a lot safer